Good morning, Mom. My name is Rika Bigumbuad, and my topic is all about the manage and control inventories properly. So first, for me, is manage is the way how to handle your business, and the inventories is the way to how you inventory your business. Inventory is a physical resource that firm holds into the intent of selling it or the transforming it into a valuable state. Inventory system is a set of policies and controls that monitors levels of inventory and determines what level should be maintained, when stock should be replenished, and how large orders should be replaced. So inventory is defined as usable but resource that have economic value. Inventory is stock of direct or indirect materials. It is refers to the goods and the materials that a business holds for the purpose of productions. So first thing, it is the function of inventory protect against as predictable function of demand and supply. It is the items that can that the main goal of inventories is the control to keep accurate track of all the items a business has in stock. This means knowing what items are available in what quantity. Here are the objectives and benefits. Inventory control aims at keeping track of inventories. In the other words, inventories of a good quality and right quantities should be made available to different departments as and when they needed. So, inventory is kailangan nating pag-aralan kung meron tayong negosyo or kung magtatayo tayo ng negosyo. Because inventory is the thing that we need to inventories what we doing of our businesses. At mag-inventory tayo kapag meron tayong kailangang inventory sa ating negosyo or kapag tayo ay may negosyo. Kapag alam na natin o kapag nakikita na natin ang ating kumpanya or company na nakikita natin na kailangan ng i-inventoryhin, ay tsaka muna tayo mag-inventory. Here are the items carried in inventory can be: first, the raw materials, the purchased parts, the components, the work in process, and finished goods. Ito ay yung mga bagay o mga produkto na kailangan nating i-inventory kung mayroon tayong negosyo or kung may negosyo na tayo. The raw materials, these are the basic materials that company use to product or to produce goods. Example nito ay yung cotton used to make clothes and wood used to make furnitures. The finished good is the example of that is the foods or the product na mga pagkain. And also, there are so many products that we need to inventory of our businesses. If we have the business, we need to inventory of our business kasi para malalaman natin kung malulugi man ang ating company or hindi pa malulugi. Kaya dapat nating inventoryhin kung ano man yung mga produkto na ating ibinibenta. So, inventory planning and control for maintaining the right balance between high and low inventory to minimize cost. So, kailangan nating tignan kung dapat nami-maintain ba yung balance ng ating negosyo, kung nasa mataas na ba o kung nasa ibaba pa rin. Planning on what inventory to stock and how to acquire it. The forecasting parts of product demands and controlling inventory levels. And also, we have the feedback measurement to revise plans and forecast. So, ito yung mga bagay na kailangan nating sundan o kailangan nating pag-aralin kapag tayo ay nagninegosyo sa ating buhay. These are the items that hold with the purpose of either selling them to customer or using them to produce other products. So we have also the inventory control decisions. So first is how much to order and second is when to order. Dapat din natin tingnan kung ang ating negosyo ay kung nalulugi na ba or hindi. Kasi kapag tayo ay nag-o-order, ay kailangan din natin kung ano man yung halaga o kung ano man yung kailangan nating i-order sa ating negosyo. Tsaka titignan din natin kung kailan tayo mag-o-order kapag meron pa tayong stock or meron pa tayong mga product na hindi pa dapat kailangan palitan, ay tsaka muna tayo mag-o-order kapag ito ay nauubos na or kailangan na nating tignan ng pansin. Hindi tayo dapat mag-o-order ng basta-basta kasi kailangan na muna nating inventoryin kung ano man yung kailangan dapat isaalang-alang sa ating negosyo. We have also the techniques to control inventories. The first, the EBC analysis, economic order quantity, perceptual inventory system, and review of slow and non-moving system, setting of various levels and materials budgeting, establishing an effective procedure. EBC analysis is E stands for very tightly controlled, B stands for least tightly controlled, and the C stands for the simplest control. Kailangan nating ibalanse kapag tayo ay nagninegosyo o kapag tayo ay may negosyo. Kailangan din nating tignan ang ating balancing kapag ito ay nauubos na at kapag ito ay dapat ding palitan.